Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Love Fada Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 8th July from around the world. Rahul Gandhi, not a doctor, firm on substandard ventilator allegation. Ventilator manufacturer AGVA Healthcare yesterday hit back at Rahul Gandhi, saying the former Congress chief is not a doctor and they would be happy to give him a demonstration of their product. Some of the ventilators procured to tackle the coronavirus outbreak have been bought from indigenous manufacturer AGVA through the PM Cares Fund in accordance with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Self-Reliant India initiative. Mr. Gandhi, who has been continuing his attack on the government over the handling of the pandemic, had accused it of purchasing substandard products. His July 5 tweet on the subject read, #PM Cares capacity is 1, putting India lives at risk. Second, ensuring public money is used to buy substandard products. Sanjay Leela Bansali tells cops while he replaced Sushant Singh Rajput in 4 films. Filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bansali was planning to cast Sushant Singh Rajput in 4 films, but replaced him because he had other commitments, the Mumbai police has been told in investigations into the actor's death. Sushant Singh Rajput, 34, was found dead in his apartment in Mumbai's Bandra on June 14. The police are investigating allegations that professional rivalry, apart from clinical depression, drove him to suicide. US military will stand strong with India in border tensions with China. White House top aide. The United States military will stand strong with India in connection with the border dispute between India and China, a top White House aide said. The message is clear. We are not going to stand by and let China or anyone else take the reins in terms of being the most powerful, dominant force, whether it's in that region or over here, White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows told Fox News. Coronavirus vaccines latest news. Covaxin to be tested on 375 people in phase 1. Moderna delays final phase trials. China's Sinovac Biotech has become the largest company to start phase 3 trials of its coronavirus vaccine candidate in Brazil following a fast-track approval by regulators last week. So far, the vaccine candidates being developed by AstraZeneca, University of Oxford, and China National Pharmaceutical Group are the only other jabs in late-stage trials. Moderna also plans to start its late-stage trial this month. Infosys flies back 200 employees, families from US in chartered flights. IT giant Infosys flew back some of its employees and their families who were stranded in the United States due to coronavirus crisis and visa issues. They were flown back in a chartered flight. 200 people, employees and their families, were flown to Bangalore, reaching early Monday morning. They will be working from Bangalore or other locations in India. Some of the Infosys employees were stranded in the US because of their visa expiration. All international flights were suspended because of the pandemic. Infosys executive Sanjeev Bodh wrote in a LinkedIn post. The company booked the first ever chartered flight exclusively for 200 plus employees and families from US to India. At the time of writing, the flight had landed safely in Bangalore, bringing an end to weeks of dilemma related to the uncertain situation, he said on LinkedIn. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.